Premiums are increasing for vehicle insurance as the island records a surge in road fatalities and related incidents. Globally, road traffic accidents account for 1.19 million deaths annually. Here in St. Lucia, as of Thursday, November 21st, 2024, some 22 lives were lost to road crashes and several others injured. Permanent Secretary in the Infrastructure and Transport Ministry, Lenita Joseph, noted the toll on the economy.
St. Lucia is not immune to the impacts of road crashes, the emotional, physical, and economic devastation caused by every single incident. We are all affected, whether directly as family members, first responders, or other road users caught in the inevitable congestion. The economic cost associated with high risk is manifesting in increased premiums for motor vehicle insurance. To date, our island has recorded 22 road fatalities and many more serious crashes resulting in traumatic injuries to road users.
Joseph disclosed that some 300 vehicles are imported into the island monthly, which increases the level of exposure for crashes.
According to the World Report on Road Traffic Injury Prevention, travel by road puts people at the greatest risk of injury per kilometer traveled. St. Lucia has approximately 641 kilometers of motorable road. As such, we are all at risk of becoming victims of road traffic crashes. This risk is a function of the level of exposure, which is the amount of movement by different users in a given population density. Given the level of exposure, the probability of a crash increases, consequently also increasing the probability of injury and the outcome of the injury. With an average of 300 vehicles landed monthly in St. Lucia, the level of exposure and probability of crashes will continue to rise, resulting in an increase in the number and severity of injuries.
Collision statistics indicate that passengers and pedestrians are at the highest risk due to the increasing number of passenger vehicle incidents. The Infrastructure Ministry and the Transport Department plan to crack down on traffic offenders by heightening law enforcement intervention.
Speeding continues to be a major factor, coupled with improper use of the roads, resulting in preventable road deaths and injuries. Our emergency and health services are constantly under pressure to respond to and provide post-trauma care. This year, we advocate for heightened law enforcement interventions, which will send a very strong and clear message of intolerance for continued disregard for road traffic rules. This does not absolve the individual road user from personal responsibility to exercise caution at all times, whether as a driver, pedestrian, or even a passenger in a vehicle. The department has commenced formulation of a road safety policy, which is expected to provide targeted responses to the noted deficiencies.
Last weekend, the Infrastructure and Transport Department joined the international community in observing Remembrance Day for road traffic victims to provide a platform for families and individuals, honor the lives lost and injured in vehicular incidents, and to advocate for more actions to prevent road deaths. The department continues to emphasize the importance of a holistic approach to road safety through the enhancement and enforcement of traffic laws, promotion of responsible driver and pedestrian behavior, continuous improvement of road design and vehicle maintenance, and emergency and post-trauma care. Road accidents in St. Lucia have shown a steady increase over the past few years. According to official data, the number of motor vehicle incidents has risen from 1,122 in 2021 to 1,302 in 2022 and 1,449 in 2023. As of October 2024, the total number of incidents stands at 1,253. The alarming trend has prompted concerns about road safety in the country, with authorities urging drivers to prioritize caution and adhere to traffic regulations.
As the festive season approaches, we take this opportunity to encourage all road users to be careful, be safe, be responsible.
Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.